if we want to change the entire design of our page, we simply have to delete all of our sections. So let's click on those axes, like so. Then by clicking over here to open the media library and go to pages, we can select a new page from over here. We can also search over here. So we can click over here on insert. Then we can see the structure over here. We can see that it has a header. We don't need this one because we already have our own. So let's click on this X. We can see that it has a footer. We don't need this one either because we have our own footer. So let's click on this X and this X as well. And then we can see what we have over here. So we have a heading widget, as we can see over here and over here, a text editor. Then for the other section, we have a gallery. And for the last section, we have a call to action section with two containers. The first container has an image, and the second container has a heading widget, a text widget, and a button. We can also see this space over here between this section and this other one. That's from over here, from advanced, from margin set to percentage to 12. By clicking over here on this image, we can change the image like so. The image resolution, if we want caption and link, by going to style, we can set the width, the maximum width, the height. And over here, we can set how we want the image to be, cover, contain, and so on. Okay, and the object position from over here. The opacity from over here. The border if you want to, the border radius, and the box shadow if you want to. By going over here to this button, we have the content options over here, the style options over here, and the advanced settings over here. For the content, we have the type, the text over here. We can also edit the text with AI by clicking over here, the link over here, and we can also click on this wheel over here in order to open the link in a new window. And we can also use dynamic tags. We can have an icon if we want to by clicking over here. Like so, the position of the icon and the icon spacing. By going to style, we have position, we have alignment, we have typography with global fonts and custom typography settings, text shadow, text color for the normal state, the background color for the normal state, and for the hover over here. We also have border settings over here, like the type, the width, color, radius, and we also have padding over here. Once again, if you want to check the tablet and the portrait view, you can simply click over here. For example, for this container, maybe you want the image to be above this other container. So let's click on the image. We have to click actually on this container by going to advanced, over here to order, and click over here to end, and then the image is on top. By clicking on the image per se, as we can see over here, we are in the image, not on the container anymore, and going to style, and let's change the height, like so, or maybe even smaller, like so. And now it looks way better on the mobile. And we can do the same for tablet. So let's say that we want the image to be above the text. We have to make sure we are on the container and then to end. And by being on the image, we can change the height like so if we want to.